35. 35. ಹಾಂ, ನೀವು ರೈಡ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಓ, ಎಲ್ಲ KIT SMK MT. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, back with another video. Hi. Huh? No, it's fine. Yeah. Thank you. 35. 35. I do YouTube. Yeah, Valkyrie Ray. Just type out Valkyrie Ray. RAY. In today's video, we're going to the airport road with Mithun and a couple of others. I don't know who else is coming. I know Anup is coming, so I'm gonna meet them somewhere ahead. It's drizzling a bit, so I hope it doesn't rain. It's a midnight ride, but there's traffic still, so yeah. And the crazy part is I forgot to charge my batteries too. I thought I put it to charge, but then I forgot to switch it on. Let me just call them. Woo. And check where the McDonald's is. Still pretty far away, man. It's almost like near to the airport. They finished their ride without me because I'm late. I mean, damn it. It's alright though. Let's just do a solo ride, I guess. Oh wait, he's calling me. Let's see what he says. I don't know if the mic will pick up his voice. ನೀವು ರೈಡ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ. ಅದೇನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 15 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶೆಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಸರಿ, ನೋಡೋಣ. You have to be very careful in traffic, man. Literally. Especially when everyone's going zigzag zoom and stuff. Alright, we're here, I guess. Oh, here it is. Hi Macha. Hi Macha. Hi bro. How are you?
Fine.
Yeah. Hi bro. Name ಹೆಸರು?
Yeah bro,
Leo.
Okay.
Oh,
Calling him Leo.
What's your name? Pawan. Okay. Oh, ಎಲ್ಲ KIT SMK MT. Heavy bright ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ? I have a little bit battery left. Let's see what I can make of it. I'm just gonna follow Mithun because I don't know which hill they were talking about. Woo! There's a lot of wind blast for sure.
ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಖಾಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್
ಅವನದೇ ತಾನೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮೈಲೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು.
ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲು ಖಾಲಿ, ಹೊಟ್ಟೆನೂ ಖಾಲಿ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ತುಂಬದಷ್ಟು ತುಂಬ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನಾನೀಗಲ್ಲ ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಶೂಟ್ ಮಸ್ತಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಲೈಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ನಡೆಂಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಲ್ಸಿಯಲ್ಲ ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸಾಕು.
ಜನರು ಎರಡು ಥರ ತಗೋತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಸಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ EV ಅಂತ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಸಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅಂತ.
ಮೇಲಾಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಇದವನು.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಅದು ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತೊಗೊಳೋದು? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
ತುಂಬ ದೂರದವರೆಗೂ ನೀನು
Alright, so Mithun is taking some cinematics for like 2 reels, I guess. I think 1 reel is done where he's taking clips for the second reel. We'll do a photo shoot, I guess, and then there's plans of going ahead, but I don't know if I'll join. I think I'll go home, not sure, we'll see. ಸರಿ ಮಚ್ಚ, ಬಾಯ್ 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 ಬಾಯ್, ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಹೋಗೋ.
ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ.
ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ,
ಒಂದು 2 hours ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. Mithun and the others are going ahead to a spot which I could have gone to, but I don't have the battery. The road isn't as free as it used to be though, that's for sure. Because I remember, riding my 10R over here and it was free, the road was free. At the same time, like it's almost 3 AM right now. That time it was 3 AM too. The last time when this road was this empty. God damn. Alright guys, I know it wasn't much of a ride, or I don't know how I'll edit this video, we'll see. There's not much, I think, but there's a lot of footage, but I'll see what I can do with it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please drop a like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Ride safe, peace.